In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Telegram SMS fee problem step by step. Make sure to follow each step carefully to avoid any errors. First, go to your phone settings and uninstall the Telegram application from your device. Next, open the Play Store. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. From here, find and open Play Protect. Then, tap on the Settings icon and turn off Play Protect. You may need to enter your phone PIN to confirm. Now, open your Chrome browser. Search for Telegram APK Download. Open a trusted website and scroll down to find the older versions section. Tap on See More and download version 11.9.1. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder, tap on the file, and install the application. After installation, open Telegram, tap on Continue and enter your country and phone number. Then tap Continue again. Check your phone message inbox. You will receive a verification code. Enter the code to complete the login process. Your Telegram SMS fee problem should now be fixed. Remember, do not request the code multiple times. Pressing Send Code repeatedly may activate paid SMS. If needed, use the Call Me option instead. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.